Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Growth English channel. I'm your host, Jannie, and today we have another exciting episode to help you improve your English and your life at the same time.
Hey everyone, I'm David, and we are so happy to have you here. Today's episode is special because it's not just about English, it's about your future, your dreams, your goals, your plans.
Yes, today we're teaching you how to talk about your goals and plans in English. We're going deep: short-term goals, long-term goals, professional plans, personal plans, and even the small everyday goals that help you grow.
And, of course, we'll share our own personal goals, struggles, stories, and we'll give you the vocabulary you need to express your own dreams clearly and confidently.
So relax, get comfortable, grab your notebook, and let's begin.
Talking about your goals. My goal is I want to achieve. I hope to. One of my dreams is I'm working towards.
Talking about your plans. I'm planning to. I'm preparing to. I'm thinking about. I intend to. My plan is to.
Talking about progress. I've started. I've been working on. I'm still trying to. I haven't reached it yet, but
Talking about time. This year. Next year. In the next few months. By the end of the year. Someday.
nice. And we'll practice all these in natural conversations later.
Let's start with something easy. Short-term goals. Goals for this week, this month, or the next few months.
Right. Jannie, what short-term goals do you have right now?
Let me think. One of my short-term goals is to wake up earlier. I want to start waking up at 7 a.m. consistently. Another short-term goal is to read at least one book this month.
Nice goals. For me, one of my short-term goals is to exercise at least 4 times a week. And another short-term goal is to organize my workspace. It's getting chaotic.
It happens. Listeners, think about your short-term goals. They are usually simple things that help you improve your daily life.
Now, let's go bigger. Long-term goals. Goals for the next year, 5 years, or even 10 years.
Right. David, what long-term goals do you have?
Okay. One long-term goal I have is to start my own business someday. Another long-term goal is to travel more, maybe visit 5 new countries in the next few years.
That's amazing. For me, one of my long-term goals is to become completely fluent in 2 more languages. And I also want to buy a house one day.
Big goals. Listeners, long-term goals are usually dreams that require time, consistency, and planning.
Okay, David, let's share something funny. Have you ever set a goal and totally failed?
Oh, definitely. One year I said, I'm going to go to the gym every single day. Guess how long that lasted?
1 week?
3 days.
That's normal. I once said, I'm going to save money every month. I saved money for 2 months, then a sale happened. A big sale. And I bought 3 things I didn't need.
That's how goals work sometimes. But the important thing is to keep trying.
Let's teach listeners phrases for talking about success. I achieved my goal. I reached my target. I did it. I made progress. I Completed my plan.
And now phrases for failure, because it's part of life. I didn't reach my goal. I fell behind. I stopped after a few days. I wasn't consistent. I need to start again.
These phrases are very important when describing your experiences honestly.
Let's move to professional goals. Jannie, what are some work-related goals you have?
Well, I want to take more professional courses. I also want to be more organized with big projects. And one day, I'd love to be a team leader.
Nice. For me, I want to improve my communication skills at work. I also want to manage my time better because I get overwhelmed sometimes. And one day, I want to teach a course.
Great goals. Listeners, you can talk about your career goals using phrases like, I want to grow in my career. I'm planning to get a certification. Someday, I want to lead a team. My goal is to get a promotion.
Now let's talk about personal goals. These are connected to your lifestyle, health, relationships, or hobbies.
My personal goals include drinking more water, exercising regularly, taking more time for myself, learning to cook new recipes.
Nice. For me, spend more quality time with family, learn a musical instrument, improve my sleep schedule, travel more.
Listeners, personal goals help you improve your daily life and well-being. Okay, listeners, repeat after me. My goal is to improve my English. I'm planning to work on my health. Next year, I want to travel more. I hope to start a new project. I'm working toward becoming more confident.
Perfect. The more you repeat, the easier it gets.
Let's talk about how to express your plans clearly.
Right. Here are phrases to talk about future plans. I'm going to, I'm planning to, I'm thinking about, I want to start, my plan is to.
And here's something important. Plans become stronger when you add details. For example, weak plan. I want to study English. Strong plan. I'm going to study English for 20 minutes every morning.
Exactly. Details make your plans more powerful.
What's one goal you have for this month?
I want to exercise more. I'm planning to work out 4 times a week.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I hope to buy a house and become fluent in another language.
Do you have any professional goals?
Yes, my goal is to get a certification next year.
What personal changes are you planning to make?
I want to sleep earlier and eat healthier.
We all know goals are easy to start and hard to maintain. Let's give listeners some advice.
First tip, start small. Tiny goals create momentum.
Second tip, be realistic. Don't set impossible goals.
Third tip, write your goals down. Seeing them every day keeps you focused.
Fourth tip, be patient. Good things take time.
Listeners, think of 3 goals right now. 1 short term, 1 long term, 1 personal.
Now try to say them in English. Pause the video if you want. Repeat these structures. This month, I want to. Next year, I plan to. Someday, I hope to.
Great work.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you learned helpful vocabulary and expressions to talk about your goals and plans.
And remember, dreams become real when you take action.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to subscribe to the Growth English channel.
new episodes every week to help you grow your English and your mindset.
Take care, keep dreaming, keep planning, and we'll see you next time.